In this video, we'll show you the initial hardware setup out of the box for your Canon imageCLASS printer and connect it to your Wi-Fi with a Windows computer. Let's get started. Carefully remove the printer and the other contents from the box. After placing the printer in your desired location, carefully remove all orange tape and packing material. Make sure to open the rear cover and remove the orange tape. Leave the sticker that covers the USB port in place. Only remove the sticker when you need to access the USB port. Next, open the front cover and peel off the orange tape, holding the toner cartridges in place. Slide the toner cartridge tray back in and close the front cover when finished. Next, we will load the paper. Pull the paper tray out and lift it slightly to remove it from the printer. Slide open the paper guides by pressing the blue tabs. Load the paper in the tray and align the paper guides securely against the edges of the paper. Please note, paper guides that are too loose or too tight can cause misfeeds or paper jams. Also, make sure the paper stack does not exceed the limit guides. Loading too much paper can cause paper jams. Slide the paper tray back in the printer when finished. Now we'll connect your printer to your Wi-Fi. Before connecting your printer to the network, confirm that your wireless router is available and properly set up. Also, confirm that your computer is connected to the network. Next, make sure your printer is plugged in and powered on. The main screen will be lit when the printer is on. Please note, we will navigate the menu using the directional keypad and make selections by pressing the OK button. If this is your first time powering on the printer, you will see the system language selection screen. Select English, and then select Yes to proceed. Next, select your country or region, and then select your time zone. Next, make sure the current date and time is properly set up. Press the OK button to proceed. Next, select Wi-Fi connection. Scroll down and review the information, and then press the OK button to proceed. Select Next to proceed. Select Connect to Network manually. Next, select your Wi-Fi name from the list. You'll need to enter your encryption key or network password. To do so, first select the entry mode that reflects the character you need. Uppercase letters, lowercase letters, or numbers and symbols. Use the numeric keys on the control panel to enter your password, toggling between entry modes as needed. As an example, if you need to select the letter C, make sure you are in the correct entry mode. Press the number 2 button until you see that letter. Stop and let the cursor advance to the next space to select the next character. Once your password is entered, select Apply. Select Yes to proceed. Scroll down and review the information on this screen. and then press the OK button to proceed. Select Close to proceed. Select OK to verify the paper settings. On the home screen, you will see the wireless LAN icon. The printer is now connected to your Wi-Fi. Now let's install the software. Download the installation files from the Canon website by visiting usa.canon.com/support. Search for your printer by entering the model number in the search box. Then select it from the list. Select Software and Drivers. Make sure the correct operating system and version are selected. Then select and download the latest master setup driver. Select the download arrow at the top right of your browser. Then open the master setup file. Select your language, and then choose OK. Select your place of residence, and then choose OK. Review the information on the Master Setup welcome screen, and then select Start Setup. Review the information on this screen. You won't be able to proceed with the software installation if you don't select Agree on the License Agreement section. Select Next to proceed. Master Setup needs permission to use signals like GPS or Wi-Fi. Select Yes to continue with the installation. Make sure the printer is plugged in and powered on. Then select Next. Now we will wait for your computer to find the printer on your Wi-Fi. It should be able to find the printer because we connected it to your Wi-Fi network. If your printer is detected, it will show up on the list. If it's not on the list, make sure your computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you used to set up the printer. Select your printer from the list. Then choose Next. Confirm that the correct printer model is selected, and then choose Continue. Select Next to proceed. The software and drivers will now download and install. This may take a few minutes. If you would like to make a test print, select Test Print, and it will run automatically. You can skip test printing by selecting Next. When this screen appears, select Finish. If you didn't set up the remote user interface settings during initial setup, a new browser window will open with the Cannot Access Remote UI warning. Please refer to the user manual if you need more assistance. Congratulations! This completes the initial hardware setup and Wi-Fi connection of your Canon imageCLASS printer with a Windows computer. For more how-to videos, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.